Murugamiriri munene wa ikundi itari cia githirikari guku bururi-ini Kigina ni oritie thirikari hamwe na ikundi iri nyitagirira ikundi itari cia githirikari kwiyumiria na guciteithia amu ni irahutitio na njira nene ni king'uki kia murimu wa COVID-19.
But another thing that I would also urge the international community who are supporting the NGOs. At this particular time, a lot of NGOs are suffering from actually getting donations because of the shortfall of what was happening in this country. And not this country alone, in Africa, and as it's a global issue. We are urging the international community, please continue funding your friends, continue funding your organizations, continue funding the people that you had already done, they had already done their budget and also proposals to you, and you acknowledged. We know this is a challenge for everyone, but we are saying the little you have, kindly just support this particular vulnerable groups.
Oho Lawyer augite ni megukorwo magithurima uri ikundi ici ihuthagira mbeca iria mamukira cia gukinyeria aria mahinyirirekeire matura-ini uteithio.
So we are working together with government and especially the parent ministry with other stakeholders who have been able, and especially there's an organization called Integrity Action from the UK. They have been helpful actually for the last 3 years. We have been having hiccups, but for sure in another 1 year we assure you that we are going to work out on that accountability and transparency issue. The NGOs also would be happy to be found on that grant check platform, so that the donors will be able to know how they have actually been able to use the money.
Aritie maya ari mwena wa ngatho ithanga gatanga ya kianda kuria maraheaga airetu motaro o undu umwe na tauro cia utheru guku mutongoria wa gikundi kia Women Peace Network wa Njiro wa Ndung'u akiuga ni megukorwo magithiuruka bururi-ini makihunjagia ndumiriri ya thayo na urumwe.
Ithuĩ turenda kwaria uhoro wa thayo bururi-ini witu. Maundu maria mothe maronekana maria marerwo ni turamaigua, no ithuĩ turi andu a kwaria uhoro wa thayo tondu bururi uyu witu andu no maigire thayo na andu mohanire, ni tondu na Ngai oigire uria utari wehia oe ihiga, na ithuothe turehia ni tondu thino gutire mundu righteous tiga Ngai. Koguo wega wa kuohanira ona tugithie tukiaragia ni tuthie tukiaragia uhoro wa thayo tutikuga andu marumane, andu ni matige kurumana, andu ni marie maundu maria mangi teithia andu ni marie maundu maya manginyitithania bururi, andu matige kwaria maundu matanginyitithania bururi.
Oho gikundi giki ni kirakinyirie andu uteithio wa irio guku namba nene ya andu ikiyumiria kionereria kia nyota uria uri kuo wa gukinyiria uteithio guku Lawyer akiuria ikundi citari cia githirikari kwambika mihang'o ya gucerera andu aria makoragwo kundu kuria kung'ethagirwo ni riũa na njira nene.
Twakorwo na airetu 150 ni tukumaheaga pads, ni tukumaheaga nguo cia thiini, na ni twacoka na no tukumaheaga mathabuni. Oho ni tuma na atumia akuru, atumia 50 tukumetete ona otoni wa ciari airetu acio ona moke mamaririe, na ni tuma na atumia akuru muno tuteithagia na ni tugukita kumaheiri.
The form 4 na ni ndakena umuthi ni undu wa Women Peace Network ni matu inspire muno, ni twathoma maundu maingi na kuma corona yuke ni rita ria mbere gukorwo na undu ta uyu, na tuga thengio tondu ona sanitary towels ni maratuhe, twacokia ngatho muno, Ngai atuike wa kumarathima.
Ngiribotera Njata TV kuma ithanga gatanga ya kianda kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni Kanyoro wa Wanjiru.